So now I've got the kitchen done. We're at a point where we could refinance our mortgage. It was not even possible with the kitchen the way it was in. But I got to do a little bit of repair. So here you can see some this masonite crap on the outside. This is an exterior wall. It's got some rot there. So I'm going to replace that whole run there. It goes over there. Let's get this out of the way. It goes over there to the block wall there. It's about 10 feet long. Let's see, and it comes out here along there, and then out in the sun here you can see on the corner there. And then that one section, that 2-foot section right above that, I'm going to replace that with a board. Here you can see over here I did a board there already, so I'm going to replace that. Here's a corner of the house that's this thing has been like this for God 20 years. So I'm going to pull some of those boards off, replace them, patch that up. And because we're going to stucco the house, I don't really care trying to match the look of everything else. We're going to go over it with stucco. And the reason I'm doing these repairs is, you know, I don't want an underwriter to start coming up with a list of repairs in order to get the loan. So I'm going to just fix up a few of these things here. There's another one. So here, when they installed the new cabinets, the toe kick was recessed more toward the wall and exposed a little bit of unfinished floor there. And then there's a little bit of drywall there I need to patch up and paint on the right. So I'll put some more stained concrete down, patch that up. So this is a hall bathroom with that floating vanity, and there you can see that there's some unfinished floor because we pulled the old vanity out. So I still have these vinyl squares. I'm just going to put them down without thin set because we're going to demo this bathroom anyway. But anyway, I'm just going to get some vinyl squares, cut them, fit them in there, just place them in there. And then there's some paint, a little bit of paint there on the, let's go ahead and see a little better. Got to touch up this wall here, throw some paint on this wall. And then the last thing I do is touch up the hall bathroom, which I did 5 years ago and still haven't finished yet.